A guide you to delete YouTube channel on phone permanently. So let's see how to delete YouTube channel permanently. For that, let's hop into the Chrome and you can go for any of the web browser you're comfortable with, and in the search you can go for youtube.com and it will take you to the page where you can go to your channel, and this is defaultly in the desktop website for me and you need to change it to the desktop side. So you can tap on top three dots and here if you scroll you could find desktop side. There you can switch on that. After switching on, you can tap on your profile which is in the very top, and from here you can zoom in, and here you could find these options if you tap on your channel, and in that you can scroll to find the settings. You can tap on that and from here you could see that will be appear like this. And now if you need to delete your channel, you can zoom in and below your channel name you could find advanced settings. You can tap on view advanced settings and you could see that will appear like this, and if you zoom in little bit it will give you the chance for deleting your YouTube channel, and you could see delete your YouTube channel won't close your Google account. So if you need to delete that specific channel, you need to switch over the Google account which is correctly linked to the YouTube channel. You can tap on delete channel and after that it will ask you for the confirmation in that specific email. There you need to enter the password and tap on next. From there you can delete your YouTube channel on phone permanently. Thank you.